Hi, hope you guys are all doing great. We're launching a new batch with a new test series scheduled towards NEET MDS 2022. That is those who are planning to give entrance the next year. And we'll be starting a test series schedule from October 1st week with orientation test. So there is ample amount of time for next year's exam, that is more than 1 year, which you can make maximum use of it if you're planning to crack the entrance. So it's all about hard work, consistency and self-belief, which ultimately are the mantra of one's preparation success. And also, we'll be providing you access to e-classes where you can access various topic-wise, subject-wise lectures, and along with that, we're also incorporating these debate sessions on consistent basis to make learning even more fun and enjoyable. And test series, we have different kinds and categories of tests, as you can see, starting from daily tests, subject-wise tests, topic-wise tests, etc. And study club discussions, every week we're planning 1 or 2 discussions in our Telegram study club group, and as such the process is very fun and enjoyable. And the objective of all these sessions, it can be classes, it can be test series, it can be study club discussions, it's all to make sure that you are familiarizing with as many concepts as possible within this preparation period. And along with these categories, we're also incorporating these assignments where we'll be providing you select questions from select topics which you can solve using various standard references and get back through mail for review and analysis. Of course, key and explanations will also be provided in e-classes accordingly. And of late, we have recently started these case-based questions exclusive test for case-based discussions, where we're providing you study material in form of tests, right? So all details can be accessed on our website ptbtacademy.com, or you can just drop a mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com. So using these couple of formats, e-classes, test series, study club discussions, assignments, debate sessions, study material. So we are trying to make this learning process as such fun and enjoyable, because learning has to be fun and learning is always fun, right? So for any further queries or assistance, you can always get back through mail. And remember, if you're planning to crack entrance the next year, this is the right time to start your preparation, right? So wish you all the best. Love you all.